Kasi based from the result of the game, talagang back to business agad kayo.
Nag-start sa akin. I mean, after the game, on that moment, I talked to the players. Forget about everything. We lost our control, we lost our emotion, out of control kami nung actually it's not only me but all of buong team. So we talk about it after 12 midnight, all the frustrations na nangyari dun sa game na yun, kakalimutan namin, and we will go to the practice the next day with a different mindset and a positive attitude. Because sabi ko lang sa kanila, maganda lang sa series, best of 5, so they need to win 3 games. Nakakadalawa pa lang sila, and thankful to the players because they understand the situation, and we've been here before, we've been here a lot of times, and the experience and the veteran players like Paul, Mark, and Ian, they know how to do it, and they talk to the players, and I think siguro yung approach namin very different. Yesterday, even in the sa film session namin, talagang nakafocus lahat, and everyone wants to at least to give us ourselves a chance.
Kung siya kasi si Lucero, and was it a concern na wala siya kayo nakasing namin na nagkaroon ng last game?
Yeah, it's a concussion. I mean, it's protocol, and medyo masakit yung ulo na. We need to see the doctor tomorrow for CT scan, and then if it's good, I think he will be play on Saturday. So I think we have at least 3 days to prepare for another lower game.
Well, ang Magnolia sila yung sinabihan maraming 4-4 shots na magagawa. Siyempre si Derek siya rin niya marami as players. Kaya ni Derek yan, back-to-back course sa second quarter, parang doon na-trigger yung pulawin nyo. How okay na yung 4-point shot, naging weapon sa this type of play?
Ever since doon naman kami tumitira talaga ni Jerry. So nagkataon lang talaga na nagkaroon ng 4-point shot. And again, before the conference start, sinabi namin na ma-maximize talaga namin if we got the opportunity, titira namin. Pero we're not gonna look for it. Pero again, if we have a chance, gagawin namin.
Well, may mga games kasi na maraming assist pa.
Yeah.
Ngayon pa, talagang in-effort mo talagang i-score ako this game?
Hindi naman, I think the way they play us, yung depensa din nila, most of the time, my defender go under a lot of times when you start from laro. And then I connected like 2-4 points. Nag-iba yung depensa nila, they're going on the switch. So just take advantage of that. And
I think I don't know what kung ano pa, but we just try to rest first and think about play tomorrow. But I think it's a player's game. Lagi ko naman sinasabi yan, in a do-or-die game, it must be the players who will try to perform. But we have an X and O. But again, it boils down to the players' execution.
The momentum in advantage is on the side of Magnolia. Waterloo France, 45, are all the veterans will step up in your effort that is scored in the last game, 45 points, we can do it again.
The momentum is, I think for the game 5, naniniwala ako, my opinion, there's no such thing na momentum. during the do-or-die game because both teams are eager and they have the will to overcome whatever happens in the previous games. But again, sabi ko nga, we will try to prepare hard and we don't know what nung lalabas doon sa viewing natin doon sa film sessions. We just want to rest our minds and our bodies. That's the most important thing right now. Rest our minds and our bodies for the next 3 days so that we are good to go on Saturday.
Thank you so much for the meeting.
Thank you.